Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking spinach. I'll be showing you how I make my spinach and I hope you enjoy the video. These are my chopped tomatoes that I'll be using. I have my onions on the sufria. I'm going to be frying them until they are golden brown. I'm stirring my onions to make sure that they don't burn on the sides and ensure they also cook evenly. Make sure that you're cooking under low heat to avoid burning. And I'm adding salt, then I'll keep stirring the onions until they cook well. My onions are turning brown in color, so I'll keep stirring under low heat to ensure that they cook evenly and avoid burning. After stirring the onions for about a minute, they are now ready, so I'll add my tomatoes. My tomatoes are ready, so I'm adding my spinach, then I'll mix everything nicely. As you can see, the spinach had so much water. I'll cook them for about 5 minutes to ensure the water dries up. The water has dried up and our spinach is ready. So I'm going to serve this with ugali. You can serve this with anything else that you want. If you're like me, someone who doesn't love spinach because of the taste, try this recipe. Just a few ingredients, onions, tomatoes, and salt, and you will love this. If you have kids who don't like greens, especially spinach, try this recipe and they will eat everything. It was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I am so grateful for your love and your support. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.